Hi friends, let us go to our rooftop garden today. Please tell us who all have a rooftop garden or a balcony garden. You can also tell us who plants vegetables in our garden and enjoys it. Do you know where my mom gets all the vegetable seeds from? Today you will get to know that. At first, my father got some bitter gourd from the market. My mom notices that inside there are all the mature seeds. So, my mom collects all the seeds from the bitter gourd. Then washes it thoroughly. Then she dries it properly. Then store it for planting some new plants in your garden. Now my mom soaked these seeds in the water for 12 hours. First, for germination, use a small pot. The soil must be mixed with vermicompost and garden soil. It takes 8 to 10 days to fully germinate. When 4 to 5 leaves come out, then repot it in a new big container. My mom always removes the old leaves from the plant to help it grow properly. You can apply this process so that the plant grows properly. After a few days, you will notice that the flowers have started blooming in your garden. If you live in an urban life, you have to sometimes do hand pollination. My mom maximum times does hand pollination, and look, there are so many bitter gourds in our garden. You know, at first, me and my sister didn't eat even one bitter gourd. But now, from our rooftop garden, we sometimes eat a little bit of bitter gourds. But every day, me and my sister come to the garden and collect many bitter gourds. We enjoy this activity very much. You know, these bitter gourds are more long than the bitter gourds we find in markets. You can also get a kitchen garden and plant some vegetables in there. It is really enjoyable and fun. My mom lets to ripe some of the bitter gourds to get some new seeds for the next time planting. How do you like the video? Please let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other garden videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.